make money online with CPA marketing, right? So in this video I'm going to share one very powerful strategy that you guys never seen that strategy before on YouTube, and this strategy give you like 90 to 95% chance that you guys will definitely see results. So before I'm going to start this video, make sure you guys must subscribe Hustlers Club, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So today we're going to utilize this platform to start promoting our CPA offers, and we're gonna do CPA marketing with this website. And I think and I assume very few people know about this website, and very few people know the method today I'm going to show you. Very few people know about this method, which method I'm going to show you today. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to show you how we're going to do CPA marketing with this platform. So before I'm going to show you all the things, we need an offer to promote with this website, right? So let's go to the CPA platform, and first we're gonna select an offer. Okay, so let's go. So right now you guys can see I'm in Cpagrip, and Cpagrip is one of the most popular platform in CPA marketing industry. And I'm not gonna explain a lot of things because I explain all these things a lot of time, and a lot of you know everything about Cpagrip. I assume like you guys also have account. If you don't have account, like simply register, fill all the details, and your account will be created instantly. So I'm gonna log in, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, so right now you guys can see I'm logged in my Cpagrip account, and I'm not gonna share a lot of things because I show you all these things a lot of the times directly. I'm gonna select an offer, and I'm gonna directly show you how we're gonna promote our Cpagrip offer. Okay, so like I show you a lot of times, like there's a lot of different ways, but these are a little bit complicated and complex ways. Not very much, but a little bit. Okay, that's why I'm not gonna share these strategies, but in upcoming days I'm gonna also share these strategies. But for now I'm gonna go to like very simple strategies, click on offer tools, and click on my offers. So right now you guys can see I am in my offers wall, and you guys can able to select country, category, stats, search. So to be honest, I'm gonna go with like United States. If you want to go with like UK, like this is all over the world, you guys can select any offer for promoting for any country. Okay, so I am going to promote my offer in United States. That's why I selected US. Like category, you guys can select any category, but to be honest, especially for beginners, I highly recommend go with like email and zip submits, because it's easy. It's a little bit easy than other categories. Okay, so that's why I highly suggest and recommend go with like email and zip submits. And second is like stats, don't go with like stats and search. Okay, and now okay, so we go with like both mobile and desktop both. Okay, so now I'm all the time looking for the highest payout. So right now the highest payout is $2.05, and this is, to be honest, is one of the most popular and one of the oldest offers still available in Cpagrip. And you guys can also find these kind of offers in other platforms. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna click on this off. Like you guys can see, this offer is like act now $750 PayPal gift card, and you guys can see $2.05 United States. Only works in United States if someone add their email or zip submit, I think phone number. And this offer only works in desktop, you guys can see, and you guys can read this. I think they added like our latest batch gift card has been shipped and act now. So we're gonna go and promote this offer, because to be honest, its offer converts really well from last couple of I think years. Its offer still converts, and this is one of the most popular offer and the most oldest offer in CPA marketing platforms. You guys can find this offer in, to be honest, in a lot of platforms. Okay, so we're gonna again promote this offer. There are two reasons which I'm gonna share in upcoming minutes. Okay, not in upcoming days, in upcoming minutes. Okay, so simply copy this link, and we're gonna go and promote this link. So before you guys can copy, make sure your link is completely new. So I copy that link, and now let's go to the next website. So this website is called MONDIAD.com. So it's a really good website, to be honest, especially for CPA marketers. So I think I told you like not a lot of people know about this website. So what you guys can do, simply click sign up. So once you click sign up, you guys can see create an account, like I'm a publisher or advertiser. So we go with like sign up as advertiser, click this. So once you click on advertiser account, you guys can see this kind of page. So don't go with like company, go with like individual. Simply add your email, confirm email, password, first name, last name, add your number, and like your messenger ID. Okay, so once you did this, then simply click I have read this and simply click register. Once you did this, your account will be created instantly. You will receive an email, and you guys literally verify your email and your account will be created instantly. So to be honest, I already signed up. I have my account. I'm gonna log in, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, so let's go. So right now you guys can see I am logged in my account like mondiad.com. So once you log in first time, you guys can see same page. So there's a lot of things, to be honest. So I already created one campaign, and this is a dashboard, this is a campaign, audience, conversion tracking report, traffic inventory. So there's a lot of stuff you guys can go and overview, because I am not giving you the review of this website. I'm showing you how to make money with CPA marketing. Okay, so you guys go and explore yourself. So it's simple. It's if you use Facebook or any kind of ad networks, it's not very similar, but it's somehow similar. Okay, so once you came here, simply we're gonna directly go and create a campaign. Click this, create new campaign, and first thing is you guys can see like a push or native ads. So because we are doing CPA marketing, you guys also able to go with like native ads, but I'm gonna go with like push, because this works really well with CPA marketing, and they will also give you one advantage which I'm gonna share in a second. Okay, so scroll down. First I'm gonna add my campaign name here. So you guys can see I added a name like my campaign is like PayPal giveaway. Like these are tags, so don't need any tags, it's not necessary. If you scroll down, you guys can see target URL. So this is the really good thing. Like I'm gonna copy and paste my direct Cpagrip link. I'm not using any landing page. So like majority of the time, this MONDIAD allow you to do direct linking. Sometimes they will disapprove your ad, but majority of the time they will approve, and you're directly able to send traffic to your CPA offer and make money. Okay, so there is no barrier between your offer and traffic. Okay, so like majority of the time they allow you. If they don't allow you, then you guys go and create a landing page, and I show you how you guys can create landing pages in my previous videos. You guys go and watch. Okay, so scroll down. Sorry for that background noise, but now you guys can see landing page content. So we don't go with like adult. Okay, all the time go with like mainstream. Now scroll down, you guys can see this is how your like creative look like. So different down a little bit. First you guys can see like in-page push. So don't go with like in-page push in the beginning, because these both are different like push notification ads. Okay, so we only go with like classic push. So scroll up. First I'm gonna add my title and description, so give me a second. So you guys can see I added my title. Now $750 PayPal gift card available, and this is my description. Like you guys can see our latest batch of gift card has just shipped. Click now and avail $750 PayPal gift card. So this is our description. Now I'm gonna upload my icon and my image. Okay, so give me a second, I'm gonna upload and then I'm gonna show you. So now you guys can see this is my main image. Like this is the image. So to be honest, I created both images in Canva. So I created both images, I told you, in Canva. If I go to the Canva account, you guys can see this is the image, and this is, to be honest, video, but I like created a download as an image, and this also I created that image in Canva. It's super simple. Like I didn't use anything, I just literally use templates. Okay, so go back to main account. So we are back, and now you guys can see this is how our ad looks like. You guys can see this is our title, and this is a description, and these are two images. And if I click on preview, and let's see, this is how your ad will be look like on other people's devices. Okay, so now scroll down, you guys can see it's an important one. Okay, it's very important. Like first, geos, because our traffic our offer only works in United States. That's why I'm gonna select only US first. It's done. Now you guys can see second, because our offer only works in computers, means desktops. So that's why we only select desktop. So all the criterias are done. So one thing is like this website does not allow you to do targeting, specific targeting. That's why I selected this offer, because like nowadays, like everyone wants to make money, everybody wants free money. That's why I selected this offer related to make money. And if you scroll down, this offer will be converts really well. This is somehow like general offer. like everyone wants that money, PayPal gift card of $750. Okay, so scroll down and two things is done, like country is done and devices is done, and you do know, sorry, one last thing is like click on traffic type and go with like only mainstream. Okay, don't go with like adult. So all the things are done, and scroll down, click this unlimited to like normal. So we go with like $10. It's a really good budget, and don't touch anything else. So yes, CPCs we go with like 0.0, let's see, 5. Let's see if this works. If we are start getting impression and clicks, then we just literally stay with this bid or CPC. If we are not getting clicks, then we will increase this. Okay, so scroll down, let's see anything else remaining. So no. So right now you don't need to track anything, okay, because you're beginners. You don't need to do anything. Once you start getting sales, and then you guys can able to like contact me. I'm going to show you how to track all these advanced things. Okay, but for now everything is okay, everything is good. Scroll all the way down, and now you guys, what you guys can do, simply click send to moderation. Click this. So right now you guys can see here is my campaign is published, but it's not published 100%. Why it's in draft? Because I did not add any money yet. You guys can see I have $0. I didn't add any money. I'm going to show you how you guys can add it. Give me a second. But I show you this method because with this method you are start getting like very cheap traffic, and like you are still not selling anything. If someone sign up directly to your CPA offer, you are making like $2.05 in every email. Okay, so this is a really effective way if you use properly. Okay, and one thing is like, again, first you need to add like a budget balance. So how you guys can add money, you guys simply click deposit money, and they also provide you a lot of ways, to be honest, PayPal and Payoneer, and there's a lot of crypto stuff. So give me a second. So you guys can see they provide you a lot of ways to add money. You guys can select any option and add money. So easiest is PayPal, right? So go back to the campaigns. So we are back in the campaigns, and one thing is like your campaign, it will take up to 24 hours to approve it. To be honest, this campaign is approved in just 2 to 3 hours. And one thing is like, once you run your campaign for 2 or 3 days, definitely you will be able to see results. Okay, like for example, if you are getting like 100 impressions and you see like 100 or 150 clicks, because you will getting like more than 100 and 200 clicks in just $10. Okay, so now it also depends. If a lot of people are using exactly same way, your cost per click will be high. Okay, if not a lot of people are using, your cost per click is low. So it depends on the days and there's a lot of different ways. So it's not like accurate all the time. Bid is like, sometimes the bid will be high, sometimes it will be low. Okay, but I'm not discussing this right now. I am try to tell you, like, if you're getting like 1,000 impressions and 150 or 200 clicks, and if you're not able to see results, it means you are doing something wrong. Because with this method, definitely you will be able to see results. Okay, just spend $10, and I literally I'm not guarantee you, like 90% chance that you will see results. Okay, so with this method, potentially you are able to make decent amount of money per month, and with this method potentially you are able to generate sales or generate results. 90 to 95% chance that you will generate results with that method. You guys just literally spend $5 to $10 and see what kind of results you're getting. And literally we are not selling anything, we are just making money through leads. So there is really high chance that we will get succeed with this method. So you guys spend $5 to $10 and you will see results. So again, I'm not going to give you 100% guarantee, but like somehow 90% chance that you will definitely see results. Okay, and if you're a person who don't have like $5 to $10 to spend, if you're looking for a completely free method, then click this and watch this video now.